The first brush that's essential to any makeup beginner is a fluffy blending brush. This one from Morphe is my absolute favorite, and it has a gentle flare of the bristles towards the end, which really helps buff out shadows effortlessly. I usually lay my initial transition color down with this brush in the crease and upper crease in preparation to ensure a seamless blend with the other shadows that I apply next. Next, we have the e.l.f. Eyeshadow C brush, which is a short, densely packed shader brush. This is great to use to lay a lid shadow, and using a dense brush like this ensures a maximum shadow payoff as it picks up more product than a fluffy brush. These two brushes are the same in that they are both pencil brushes. One is just more finer than the other, and which brush you use is really personal preference, but pencil brushes are so multifunctional as they help with so much detail work. They can help with inner corner highlight, buffing out shadows under your lash line, deepening up your outer corner to add dimension to your eye, and you can also do a smoked out wing liner with this brush. The next product is not really a brush, but it is an excellent tool and a staple whether you're a beginner or pro. Makeup sponges are easy to use and usually help with hiding any mistakes you make. And you can not only use this with liquid products, but powders as well. The final brush that I recommend is a blush brush like this. I use this kind of brush to apply both blush, bronzer, or contour, and it works really well. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Remember to subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!